Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Dashimaki Tamago. First, crack 3 large eggs into a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of dashi, 1 teaspoon of mirin, and a pinch of salt. Whisk these ingredients together gently, being careful not to create too much foam. This simple mixture forms the base of our delicious rolled omelette. Now, let's cook the first layer. Heat your tamagoyaki pan over medium-low heat and lightly oil it. Pour in about 1/3 of your egg mixture, tilting the pan to spread it thinly and evenly. Cook until the edges are set but the center remains slightly moist. This ensures a tender, pliable base for rolling. Once the first layer is mostly set, gently roll it towards one end of the pan. Push the rolled egg to the side, then lightly oil the empty space. Pour in another 1/3 of the egg mixture, lifting the cooked roll slightly so the new egg flows underneath. Cook and roll again, repeating until all the egg mixture is used, creating a beautiful, multi-layered omelette. Finally, carefully remove your perfectly cooked Dashimaki Tamago from the pan. Let it cool for just a moment before slicing it into 1-inch thick pieces. This delicate, savory omelette is wonderful served warm or at room temperature. It's a fantastic addition to any meal or bento box. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to a great book and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.